Hey, it's her birthday. Our first destination is the Barong and Keris Dance, traditional Balinese dance.
Barong and Keris Dance, Balinese dancing.
Okay. Bye. We are at the second stop. Weaving something. Amazing culture showing us their painting, their crafts. It was nice. Third stop, silver and gold. Lunchtime! We are at Monkey Forest Ubud. Monkey Forest Ubud is good, it's okay, it's done, it's fun. So many monkeys, so many Marjies. We are now in TebaSari.
Would you like to... Welcome to TebaSari Plantation. Okay, now I will introduce tropical plantation for you. Yeah, my name is Dewi. I'm going to be your guide today.
Okay.
Okay, start from here. This one we have ilang tree. Yeah, ginger here we take from the root. Yeah, here we can use for tea and coffee. The coconut tree. Yeah, here the coconut tree. Yeah, we can use for coffee, tea, oil, and also we use for sugar. One we have the ginseng. Yeah, that's the ginseng plant. Yeah, ginseng here we grow the root and we use for tea and coffee. And that one we have pineapple.
This is the best coffee shop in the world. We have a tour.
Yeah, because here is like a coffee plantation.
Yes.
Yeah. We have also the red cacao. Yeah, here we have two different cacao. Yeah, we have green and also we have red cacao. Yeah, but this one still green color, not ready yet, until become the red color.
Red, yes, red. Okay.
Yeah, in Bali we have two different coffee. We have Arabica coffee and also we have Robusta coffee.
Robusta.
Yeah, the Robusta coffee here just local coffee in Bali.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, we call also the Bali coffee. Okay, this one we have the special animal. Yeah, this is the
they will be made for coffee also?
Yes. This is the animal, yeah, can produce the best coffee in the world and also can produce the most expensive coffee. Here, that's the process to making the coffee. We mix with the traditional way. Yeah, in here, we doesn't use machine. And then we grind it the coffee until become powder. This is the last process. Until become fine powder like this.
Wow, this is the nicest coffee experience I have ever had.
Here you can taste tea and coffee. Yeah. All of them. It's all for the tea area. It's all for the coffee area. Yes, coffee and tea time. Yeah, excuse me. All of them tea and coffee. Here is already with sugar, except Bali coffee and sugar. Okay, please try.
coffee and tea, very good. We will buy.
Thank you so much.
We are now starting our descent. It is said that there are 127 steps. Oh, so steep! It is so steep! Oh my goodness! We can do this. Actually, nagsakit akong tuhod. Sakit ako tuhod. There's the waterfalls. Happy birthday!